साउंड ए टू जी।
हम्म।
तो मैम ब्लेंडिंग में उनको प्रॉब्लम आती है कि जैसे पूरा एक उनको सेंटेंस बनाना है, उनको रीड करना है, तो वो उनको दिक्कत है।
विच
सेकेंडली
विच
वी आर फेसिंग
विच क्लास,
यूकेजी।
विच क्लास यू आर
यूकेजी,
टॉकिंग अबाउट?
यूकेजी क्लास मैम।
UKG class, okay.
यस
So, can they read CBC words or not?
मैम। यस दे कैन रीड सीबीसी वर्ड्स। वो
Okay.
पूरी फुल क्लास तो नहीं, बट कुछ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो है फोनिक साउंड से रीड कर लेते हैं। बट वो मोस्टली बच्चे CAT कैट, RAT रैट ही रीड करते हैं। तो उनकी
Okay.
हैबिट कैसे चेंज करेंगे? और उनके पेरेंट्स ऐसे ही रीड करवाते हैं मैम।
Okay. पेरेंट्स कैसे रीड करवा रहे हैं?
हम मैम जैसे हम तो फोनिक साउंड से रीड करवाते हैं
एक
बच्चों
मिनट,
को।
एक्चुअली ना मैं
ठीक है।
कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कौन। कैन यू रेज योर हैंड, या हु इज दैट स्पीकिंग?
नीता, नीता कुमारी।
नीता कुमारी, ओके. Now some
यस
of them have joined now. So can you just repeat your question again? Hmm?
एक्चुअली
Yes.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्लास में ना कुछ बच्चे ही जैसे फोनिक साउंड से रीड कर पाते हैं, ठीक है,
हम्म.
क्योंकि उनके जैसे पेरेंट्स भी उसी साउंड से ही करवाते हैं। बट लाइक
Right.
हम उनको फोनिक साउंड से करवाएं, पेरेंट्स नहीं करवा पाते, तो एक तो ये प्रॉब्लम है। बट चलो कोई नहीं। दूसरी हमें प्रॉब्लम आती है मैम, वो ब्लेंडिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हैं बच्चे, मतलब उनको ब्लेंडिंग कैसे सिखाएं? सीबीसी वर्ड्स तो वो कर पाते हैं ब्लेंडिंग, जैसे और भी जैसे लॉन्ग डबल ई साउंड वर्ड्स है या कुछ और है, तो उनकी नहीं उनको क्लियर हो पाती साउंड। तो वो बताओ हमें थोड़ा सा कि कैसे क्या करवाना उनको।
आपके
तो
कहने
कुछ
का मतलब है कि आपके बच्चे कैट रैट मैट पढ़ पा रहे हैं?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो कर पाते हैं, कैट रैट मैट आ कैट ओना बैट, मतलब वो सीबीसी वर्ड्स दे कैन रीड राइट, और उनको उनका ब्लेंडिंग वो सब अच्छे से आता है।
हम्म.
मतलब सारी क्लास तो नहीं, बट हाँ कि हाँ 50% से ऊपर बच्चे कर लेते हैं।
नाउ सी, अगर 50% बच्चे कर पा रहे हैं और रेस्ट ऑफ द बच्चे नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो इवन द चैलेंजेस फॉर दोज पीपल, है ना?
यस मैम।
हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि वो बच्चों को हम छोड़ दें कि चलो 50% तो कर ही पा रहे हैं तो 50% नहीं कर रहे तो कोई बात नहीं. यू कैन नॉट हैव इट लाइक दैट, है ना?
यस मैम, वही पूछना था
तो
कि मतलब
फर्स्ट ऑफ
कैसे
ऑल तो पहले
blending
हमें वो 50% बच्चों की बात करनी पड़ेगी जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जो CBC वर्ड्स भी नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं. अब उसके अंदर क्या वो साउंड्स जानते हैं? आपको क्या लगता है जो बच्चे बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं, क्या वो साउंड्स जानते हैं?
हम उनको ना, जैसे हमने कई देखा, जैसे अलग अलग हम पूछते हैं ना, तो उनको साउंड्स पता है। जैसे अलग अलग लेटर की हमने सी की पूछी, ए की पूछी, टी की पूछी, वो उनको साउंड अलग अलग तो पता है, बट उनको ब्लेंडिंग नहीं आ पाती, ब्लेंडिंग नहीं
अच्छा.
आ रही है।
अब यहाँ पे
हाँ
सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? उन बच्चों को साउंड का असेसमेंट लेना होगा कि उनको कितने
अच्छा।
साउंड्स आते हैं, कितने नहीं आते हैं. एंड मोस्टली व्हाट यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट दीज चिल्ड्रन आर एबल टू give the consonant sounds, but they're not able to give the vowel sounds,
हम्म।
है ना? तो फर्स्ट
ओके।
थिंग जो आपको अपने क्लास में करानी इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो एक चीज ये है कि यू हैव टू make them focus on all the five vowel sounds, at least the five vowel sounds. Which are the five vowel sounds?
ए
Which are
ई
the
आई, शॉर्ट वोवल्स तो A E I O U।
कौन से फाइव वावल साउंड्स हैं? कौन से फाइव
अ,
वावल साउंड्स हैं?
ए,
ए,
ई,
ई,
आई,
हम्म.
अ,
आ,
उ,
ए, ई,
अ,
ओ. आ, ए, ई, ओ.
ए, अ।
ठीक है. अभी जो बच्चे आ, ए, ई, ओ, नहीं जानते हैं वो रीडिंग नहीं कर पाएंगे, कर ही नहीं सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हर वर्ड में वावल साउंड होता ही है ना? तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स जो आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि बच्चों को कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स पता है, बट उनको वावल साउंड्स नहीं पता है, नहीं क्लियर है. उनको ए में कंफ्यूजन है कि ए है तो ए बोलना है, ई है तो ए बोलना है, आई है तो ई बोलना है, ओ है तो ओ. सो अभी जब हम साउंड्स करेंगे, हम ये सारे साउंड्स करेंगे, बट क्योंकि पीपल वर ज्वाइनिंग, सो आई थॉट कि लेट अस टेक सम क्वेश्चंस. सो मेक श्योर that each and every child should be aware of a, e, i, o, a, e, i, o, ठीक है। ये बहुत जरूरी है, आपको क्लास में वावल चार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा, वावल हैंड, हर बच्चे के हाथ में वावल हैंड होना चाहिए जिसमें ए ई आई ओ यू लिखा है, बट दे हैव टू से, है ना। आपने वावल हैंड दिया बच्चे को जिस पर ए ई आई ओ यू लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन एवरी डे हर बच्चा वो वावल हैंड लेकर आएगा, एंड एवरी डे यू हैव टू मेक देम प्रैक्टिस आ, ए, ई, ओ, आ, ए, ई, ओ, आ, ए, ई, ओ, शॉर्ट वर्ड्स ये रटवाना पड़ेगा, आ, ए, ई, ओ, कि आ, मतलब वो उसको ए ना पढ़े, उसको ई ना पढ़े, है ना, क्योंकि वो उसको ए पढ़ रहे हैं, ई पढ़ रहे हैं, इसलिए वो रीड नहीं कर पाते हैं। सो आ, ए, ई, ओ, फिर क्या कर सकते हो, एक कॉन्सोनेंट लगा दो, एस लगा दिया। अभी सा, से, सी, सा, से, सी, फिर आपने टी लगा दिया, है ना। हम जब ऐसे टी कर रहे हैं तो एस के बाद टी आया, टा, टे, टी, टो, ट, फिर आपने पी लगा दिया, पा, पे, पी, पो, प, फिर एन लगा दिया, ना, ने, नी, नो, नो, है ना। यहां तक लेकर आना बहुत जरूरी है। जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब तक रीडिंग नहीं हो पाएगी। ये हो गया फिर बहुत इजी हो जाता है, जब आप सैट, एक फिंगर पे या एक पपेट, एक आइसक्रीम पपेट या आइसक्रीम स्टिक पे आपने फ्लैश कार्ड चिपका दिया, उस पे लिखा है सै, और एक पे आपने लगा दिया टी, ट, सैट, 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 है ना। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि एस ए को स नहीं पढ़ना आ रहा है, तो वो उनको हमें याद कराना पड़ेगा, एस ए क्या है, सैट, 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 सैट। क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर?
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस।
So, ma'am, you mean to say firstly we have to introduce them a CV word. CV,
सॉरी।
ma'am. I want to say that you mean to say कि firstly we have to introduce them CV words ना, CV, sa, consonant
हाँ
vowel.
हाँ 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 हाँ।
Yes.
ओके।
Okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So, like when you are taking S and then next is A, so you will teach them
Yes.
sa, है ना?
Sa.
Next we will have T, so you will teach them ta.
Okay.
Next
Sa.
is P, so you will teach them
Okay.
pa. Next is
Pa.
letter I. So now
Okay.
S I C, P
Hmm.
I P,
Hmm.
T I T,
T. T.
S
Okay, ma'am.
A sa, P A
Sa.
pa,
Pa.
N
Okay,
A
ma'am.
na.
No.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Then you will have letter N. So now sa, pa, ta, na, si, pi, ti, ni. So out of the 6 letters SATIPN, we have made these consonant vowel snap. We call them snap. Sa, pa, na, ta, si, pi, ni, ti. हाँ, कोई कुछ बोल रहा था? Who is
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, who is that?
This is Monica, ma'am.
Yes, Monica.
एक्चुअली मैम मैंने पूछना था जैसे कि अभी मैम ने भी पूछा था कि बच्चों को ना शॉर्ट वॉल साउंड्स क्लियर हैं, वो फिर भी उनकी रीडिंग कर लेते हैं, तो मैम उसके लिए पूछ रहे थे कि जैसे अभी हम उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हैं लॉन्ग वॉल साउंड्स, तो उसके लिए
एक
मैम
मिनट
थोड़ा
एक
सा
मिनट
जैसे।
रुको। शॉर्ट वॉवल्स क्लियर हैं?
यस मैम।
सीवीसी वर्ड्स पढ़ पा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, पढ़ लेते हैं मैम, जैसे कि ऑलमोस्ट हम 100% तो नहीं बोल सकते क्लास का रेशियो, बट ये है कि वो मैक्सिमम बच्चे पढ़ लेते हैं मैम, पढ़ भी लेते हैं, जैसे लिख भी लेते हैं,
नाउ यू
लेकिन
नीड टू
लॉन्ग।
चेक, यू नीड टू वेट, यू नीड टू चेक, क्या वो
जी
रट के पढ़ रहे हैं या क्या उनको साउंड्स आते हैं, साउंड्स के थ्रू पढ़ रहे हैं या रट के पढ़ रहे हैं,
नहीं
कि
नहीं
सी
मैम,
एटी
वो
कैट,
साउंड्स
सी
के
एटी
थ्रू पढ़
कैट, सी
लेते हैं।
एटी कैट पढ़ रहे हैं या ख एक्ट कैट पढ़ रहे हैं?
नहीं नहीं मैम, वो साउंड्स के साथ पढ़ रहे हैं। तो मैम प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है कि जैसे अब उनको हम लॉन्ग साउंड्स इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हैं, तो वो तो उनको पता है, उनसे अगर पूछते हैं कि चलो आप मुझे इसके साउंड बताओ, बताते हैं।
लाइक
लेकिन
फॉर
मैम जब
एग्जाम्पल
उनको
क्या साउंड बताते हैं लाइक?
जैसे मैम अभी हमने उनको AI वर्ड्स करवाए हैं, एम।
हम्म।
तो इस टाइप से मैम उनको ये साउंड तो पता है कि AI साउंड्स भी ए होता है, ए। लेकिन जैसे उनको रीडिंग के लिए देते हैं तो वो फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि वो ए की साउंड फिर एक्ट करने लग जाते
आप
हैं, आई
रीडिंग
को
के
फिर
लिए
ई
क्या
में।
देते हो? रीडिंग के लिए आप क्या देते हो, कौन से वर्ड्स देते हो?
मैम सेम वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमने, जैसे अब ये एम है, पेन
एम
है।
वर्ड है ना, एम वर्ड
हाँ
अगर
जी
आपको
मैम।
पढ़ाना है तो आप कैसे उसको ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखते हो या कैसे
um,
उसको कराते हो?
मैम जैसे हमने उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया कि दिस इज द लॉन्ग साउंड ऑफ ए, फिर उनको बताते हैं कि जहाँ पर ए और आई इकट्ठा आता है तो ये इसकी लॉन्ग साउंड होती है, तो आपको ये ऐसे बोलना है। जैसे कि मैम हमारी जो बुक्स है उसमें कोई भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं है इस टाइप से, तो उनको मैम बच्चों को हम पहले वर्ड्स हमने बोर्ड पे लिखवा दिए हैं, फिर उनके मीनिंग बताते हैं।
हम्म।
हम्म,
यस।
तो इस टाइप से मैम, तो वो पूछ रहे थे मैम कि कोई मतलब इजी वे जिससे कि वो थोड़ा जल्दी सीख पाए।
सो आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू हैव फ्लैश कार्ड्स। क्या आप लोग फ्लैश कार्ड्स यूज करते हो क्लास में?
यस मैम।
ए ए और आई का फ्लैश कार्ड है आपके पास?
यस मैम।
यू हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट कि आपके पास है या नहीं है।
हाँ जी मैम।
ये फ्लैश कार्ड है आपके पास ए,
यस मैम।
है ना? अभी जैसे
हाँ जी मैम।
आपको एम पढ़ाना है तो यू
हाँ
विल
जी।
यूज दीज टू फ्लैश कार्ड्स ना, एंड देन मेक द टू चिल्ड्रन स्टैंड, वन विथ ए एंड वन विथ एंड देन दे
ओके।
विल कम टुगेदर, ए ए
ओके ओके
ए
ओके
एम।
ओके मैम।
जब तक
हाँ
आप
जी।
सिंगल फ्लैश कार्ड पे ए और आई को एक साथ नहीं दिखाओगे तो वो जब रीडिंग करेंगे देन दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीड, है ना?
ओके मैम।
अभी
हाँ
यहाँ
जी।
पर व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन हैव डिफरेंट फ्लैश कार्ड्स, है ना? जैसे अगर हमने अलग अलग फ्लैश कार्ड्स ले लिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल, है ना, और हमने यहाँ पे टी लिख दिया, है ना, आर लिख दिया, है ना, एन लिख दिया, एस, फिर हमने एल लिख दिया, एल। हम्म। ओके।
हाँ जी।
देन हमने जो है पी ले लिया, ठीक है। अभी बताओ क्या क्या वर्ड्स बन सकते हैं जिसमें ए कंपल्सरी है? हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स यू कैन मेक जिसमें ए इज कंपल्सरी? मेक वर्ड्स नाउ।
पेन।
पेन बन सकता
पेन,
है,
मेन।
पेन,
पेन बन सकता है, मेल बन सकता
एम।
है,
सेल।
स्नेल बन सकता है,
रेन।
टेल बन सकता है,
हाँ जी।
ट्रेन बन सकता है,
ट्रेन।
टेल बन सकता है। सो
सेल
मेनी,
ऑल्सो।
लेट मी राइट, स्नेल, है ना, एंड टेल,
रेन,
रेन,
पेन।
मेल,
rain,
mean. So many words are possible, है ना?
यस मैम।
Now you need to give them these flashcards, है ना? It should be a kinesthetic learning. You have to spread these flashcards on the floor and ask them to pick them up and make a word and show it. You will have to do such activities. Then the learning will happen, है ना? Making them learn through concrete, through flashcards, through resources rather than writing will be an abstract form. Got it?
यस मैम।
है ना? What you can do, you can make it even easier for the children and interesting. Like I have written on the board, t, r, a, n. This is how I will write it on the board. Okay, and then I can even put the sounds sorry. Okay, let me try. हाँ, I will put the sound buttons, है ना? ये डॉट्स मैंने लगा दिए, ट, र, ए एंड है ना? 4 मैंने डॉट्स लगाए हैं. So I will tell the children how many dots are there? 4. That means you have to show me, you have to pick up 4 flashcards. So you will keep the flashcards on the floor and then you can ask the children to go and grab 4 flashcards and make train. So what is happening? Visual perception, है ना? Visual processing. They are looking on the board, t, r, a, n, and then they have to pick up the flashcard t, r, a, n, and that team will win. These kind of activities when you will do, then they will be able to correlate what you have taught. Blending, train, train, train. Got it? So we have to do blending. Then we have to do these exercises. Clear?
मैम
Yes. Anybody else wants to ask anything? Anyone else? Okay. I will show something. How many of you are using Claude? Claude AI? How many of you are using Claude AI? Is there anyone who is using? How many of you are using ChatGPT?
yes मैम वी आर यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी.
We
Yes,
use
ma'am.
ChatGPT.
You use. So if you start using, this Claude, now here we have artifacts where you can develop your software, your own app also. Now here see, I just gave the command that I need a record sheet which child of mine is able to blend or not. So this is I will share this link. So all of you can use this student tracker, है ना? So when I will share this link, what you can do, you can click on the link and from here you will add a student. Like for example, my student's name is Rahul. Okay. So are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So when I add Rahul, see. Now here I have a checklist. Okay. Where you can we can tick that which child is able to blend or not, which child is reading or not. So whatever criteria you want to build, you can build that and you can have this checklist for your children and you can easily identify which child is stucking where and what is the real problem. I have tried to generate one more. I don't know. Today there's a limit, actually, time limit. Yeah. Yes. See if it is working. So here you can see, I will share this link also. So here you can see that you have given all the sounds and then now you can generate activities. So you have all the 7 group of sounds. Now here you can tick like your child is either a normal child or autistic or ADHD or a slow learner or dyslexia and then you can generate activities. So I'll share this link where you are able to generate activities as per your need. So see. On the right side of your screen, there's an artifact. हाँ, है ना? So for example, for mostly we have children with dyslexia, है ना, who are facing reading problem. जिसको भी reading problem है, most of the children are either dyslexia or ADHD. So if I want to generate the activity, I can go here and generate the activity, है ना. And then you can give them like it is activity for S sound. Now you can change that sound. जैसे आप sound change करोगे, you will get for activities for ADHD, activities for dyslexia, you will get what all activities as per the child's need you can have, है ना. So you can have it for any of the sound. You can select the sound, okay, for A. So you'll get it for A. You have to select the sound, and then you can even select which normal children, autistic children, whatever criteria you want to keep, you can keep, and then you can generate any kind of activity through Claude. Claude is fantastic in a way where you can also have these kind of checkers, which is called artifacts. Along with that, you have projects. So as teachers, you can create projects. Like here, I have created a YouTube thumbnail project. So whenever I need a YouTube thumbnail, I will open this file. I'll just give the instruction. Now it knows that he has to pick up which logo, है ना, Creative Minds Academy's logo, Jolly Learning logo, everything, है ना. So we give projects, and under projects we can, like if you are teaching 5 classes, so you can have all the folders of class 1, 2, 3, different projects for English, for math, science. So instead of going to ChatGPT every time explaining everything, here you will open the required project and you can do that. And then, you can also have what I was telling you, quiz. Like see here, you can prepare quiz. So many things are here. You can prepare quiz. And something, connectors. The best part of this Claude is connectors. So you can connect. See here you have connectors, and with connectors, you can connect, like I have already connected my Canva, my Gmail, my Google Calendar. So when you connect your files, now I don't have to search. I will just ask him to pick up from Canva. He will automatically pick up from Canva. He will automatically, whichever file I ask, he will pick up from my Gmail or my Google Drive. So I will not have to select by myself and give every time I have to upload. No, I don't have to upload. This Claude knows from where he will get what, and he will automatically take care of that. Also, there are settings where you can, when you go to settings, and in that, if you mention that you are a creative teacher, you are a teacher teaching phonics, or you are a creative teacher, whatever subjects you are teaching, okay, so he will take care and he will accordingly do the task for you. Okay, so there's a particular course for Claude where in detail I teach, but I think this was beneficial for you all. So you, instead of using only ChatGPT, you should try Claude as well. Now coming to this. So yesterday we have done blending. Now we are doing segmenting. So segmenting is what? It is the skill. If you want to take screenshots of any slide which is which you think is informative, you can take the screenshot. Okay. So identifying the sound is segmenting. Okay. So when you are saying cat, so which is the beginning sound in cat? Which is the beginning sound? Which is the middle sound? And which is your ending sound? Okay, so this is sounding, being able to count the sounds k, a, t, beginning, middle, and end. Now you have to develop this sounding skill. How you will develop? By taking more and more dictation, by doing the chopping game like we did. Shweta. So I chopped the beginning sound and I said Shweta. If I chop the last sound, it becomes Shwet. If I chop from Nancy, if I chop the middle sound, then n is chopped out, so it becomes nassy. So chopping game, word families at, bat, cat, mat, rat, and making words with actions or with flashcards. Like, so I did 3 actions, and this is at, sat, है ना? Or you can show the flashcards SAT. Then segmenting of words, like in the previous slide we have seen, segmenting of word into sounds. So that can be done. And a cat, so 3 thermocol balls. But if I say drum, how many balls you will need for drum? 4.
Four.
So this is segmenting. So the right hand side, you can see these pictures where sounding. So they will hear teddy, tortoise, tennis, sun. So they'll cross out sun. No? So by the end of all 42 sounds, they are able to give dictation and they will score full marks of all these words you can see on the screen. So make sure that your children are able to read these words and write these words with correct spellings. That means, yes, they know blending, they know segmenting, they know all 42 sounds, right? So these are the 42 sounds. You can also have these kind of flashcards. So what we will do, we will ask the child to carefully look at the picture, say the word, and then look at the sound options which are given, and then they have to clip the cloth peg on the correct letter sound. Like you can see in the picture, corn. So the cloth peg is clipped on OR. है ना? So these kind of activities you can do with children. Yes. You can have activities like I have this spider. How did I make this spider? I took a black sheet or paper plate, and then you can have pipe cleaners and 2 googly eyes to make the spider. You can even make, for S, you will make spider. Okay. Now, when you are teaching the sound, you have to teach them articulation also, positioning, lip positioning. So when you say s, you close your teeth, your tongue is relaxed, and there's an airflow. You can check the airflow. When you say s, can you feel the air on your hand, palm?
Yes.
Okay, this is also helpful for children who need speech therapy. They will understand how to position. They don't know where to position the tongue, how to, what is the actual mouth position. So you have to give them a mirror and see in the mirror. You will show them, okay, like you will show, and you will tell them that keep your tongue behind your teeth and feel the air. Okay, the children who are not able to make sound, you will teach them mouth position, articulation, and then you will give them a mirror. In the mirror, they will see their own mouth position. Okay, the air they will feel. So, teaching them right mouth position is also very important. So, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes? Okay, what is written here? Can you all read it together? All of you read it together. What is written here? Spooky spiders, spooky spiders, me as
Are
well.
you hiding behind a letter? I see.
Okay. Who remembers what you have read? Who can speak?
Spooky spiders, spooky spider.
Yes. Who remembers? Yes. Why you have turned off your cameras? I don't know. I want to look beautiful faces. If you think you are beautiful, show me your face. You all look gorgeous.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
be
Ma'am, I'm not
confident.
well.
That's okay. That's okay. You can keep your camera on. It's okay. Yeah, come on the screen. I will have connection, personal connection with the faces which I can see, and I feel like I'm talking to you personally, right? We are not in an offline session, but at least we can show our faces to each other, है ना? So I will remember, oh, she's Geet every time I will look at the screen, है ना? Otherwise, how would I remember you? So to have connection, to have bonding, let us look at each other, है ना? So yes. What was the, okay, I'll show you one more time. Okay. Try to remember. Yes. Spooky spider, sneaky as can be. Are you hiding behind a letter I see? Now tell me, who is ready? Who can
Spooky
speak?
spooky
Spider.
sneaky
Spider,
as
spooky
can be.
spider,
Are you
sneaky
hiding
as can be.
as
Are you hiding behind a letter?
I can
I
see?
see.
I
Yes.
see.
Now, what is this? This is auditory perception, auditory processing, and at the sorry, visual processing. You looked at the screen and you remembered what you have seen. So that's visual perception, visual processing. Okay, so these kind of things you can do. When you are showing it on the screen, it is visual. But if you're only speaking and not showing, then it is auditory processing. And when you are speaking also and showing also, that becomes auditory visual processing or auditory visual perception. Okay. Now, what game we can play is, you can have these spider webs. So you can hide the one of the letter with a spider, and then like first you will have this.
Hide.
So you will say spooky spider, sneaky as can be. Are you hiding behind a letter I see? So children will guess, is it behind S, or is it behind N, or is it behind T?
I know.
है ना? And then you will show them, oh, it is behind H. Okay. Then answer ma'am, answer ma'am. So you keep your mouth open, है ना? And this sound is short. So don't say ah. No, it's a short sound. Answer ma'am. Answer ma'am. Answer ma'am. You're causing me alarm. You can tell them the story. Addie, Annie, Anthony. What you can say, Anthony, Andy, Annie, they all are on a picnic and they were eating apple and sandwich. Annie was wearing a hat and there was jam. And suddenly Annie started crying. What happened? What do you think? Why Annie is crying? Can you see something? Why Annie must be crying? Can you tell me? What happened? Yes?
Hands on her arm.
There
are many ants
Oh,
on his
so
arm.
many ants. How Annie is crying? How Annie is crying? Answer, ma'am. Answer, ma'am. Answer, ma'am. And then you'll ask her what she should do. What she will do. आपके हाथ पे अगर ants होंगे तो क्या करोगे? What you will do? Will you remove like this? Answer, ma'am. Answer, ma'am. Answer, ma'am. They're causing me alarm. So what you're doing, you're telling them an interesting story. You're bringing in emotions, fear, you're bringing in emotions. Now how they will feel. First, you are telling them they are very happy. When you go for picnic with your family, you're so happy. And they're eating apple, sandwiches, jam, and whatever you can include in your story, which has a sound. And then you're putting in more twist in the story, what happened, there's a climax, there's a problem, now what will be the solution to the problem. So it should be some problem, there should be some problem, so that the children develop the critical thinking, their creativity will come, they will think about the solution. So you put up the problem to them and let them think of the solution, so that we can help them in their critical thinking. So they will start giving you answers. Oh, look, if you have ant on your arm, what you will do, then you will listen to them, engage them, make them get involved in your story, and make them feel it personal. You know, they should relate it with themselves. They should actually feel the story. And then you will give them, you will teach them the song and the action also. And so you'll tell, okay, Annie is removing the ants. Ants on my arm. You can have these ants, like how did this ant is made activity. So there are two disposable spoons, black spoons, and they are tied with the black thread,
Thread.
thick thread. है ना? And then you can have the legs also. Paint the pipe cleaners. So these are pipe cleaners, so that the ant can stand up, and the ant, you can give them, they can actually feel it on their arms. So you can have this activity. You can ask the parents to get the stuff, and then you can make them prepare this ant by tying through the pipe cleaners the two disposable spoons with two googly eyes. So this activity you can have. And then every child will have that ant. Imagine in your class, everybody is holding that ant in their hand and they are doing ants on my arm, ants on my arm. If this is too difficult, you can make a simple ant and give it to them. Anna? And then they can do this. They can feel it. I told you, it should be multi-sensory. Let them feel that. Give the ant, paper ant, and put them on their arm. So the more they spend time with this activity, the more retention will be there. They'll be able to remember the sound. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Okay. So similarly, we'll go for all the sounds. When I watched a tennis game. When I watched a tennis game, my head was back and forth. That is your t sound. So you'll tell the story, Tom, Tina playing tennis. There's a tent, there are trees, and Teddy, toy, and kitten. The kitten or the cat is watching from the tent. Every time the tennis racket is hit with a tennis ball, the kitten moves its head. So you are connecting the story with the song, doing the action, and make sure you spend a lot of time while storytelling, so that the children can engage in the story, develop their critical thinking, communicative skills, collaborative skills. You can make them in groups. You can pair them in groups so that there's some group activity. So don't just focus on phonics, but always remember, as a teacher, you are witnessing the holistic development of the child, be it physical development, cognitive development, social development, emotional development, language development, of course, is happening. Always remember, you prepare your flashcards in small letters only. The children are at this stage, they don't understand if you are mixing things. Sometimes you're using capital, sometimes you're using small letter. There should be one thing, because they read books, you want them to read books, and the text is always in small letters, only the first letter is capital. This should be taught, that when you will read, then only the first letter is capital, all the others are small letters. So at this stage, when they're not even reading, but we want them to read, so don't confuse them by capital letters. So your flashcards should always be in the small letters. So again, you can have an activity time. You can have an cotton balls igloo. So there's an igloo which is made with cotton balls. So you can have a disposable paper bowl which you will invert and then stick the cotton balls to make the igloo. Okay. A sound. So here we will cut the arrow. There's igloo, there's inky mouse, there's ink pot. So they will cross out the arrow. Yes. Puff out the candles on the pink. Okay. E. The action is E. So here what is happening? The mouse, it is on the table and it spilled the ink. So now it is trying to get rid of the ink and it is scrubbing hard to get rid of the ink, saying E, E, E. And Ishan is very happy to see the mouse, and Ishan has named the mouse as Inky Mouse now. So Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on the desk. The ink is spread all over the desk. E, 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 E. Ink is wet. So you are connecting the story with the rhyme. So have some fun. बच्चों को हंसाओ, जितना हंसा सकते हो बच्चों को हंसाओ. They should enjoy your story and then they will wait for you that आज मैम आएगी तो आज कौन सी कहानी सुनाएगी. They should be fun and a lot of laughter. Be a child, be like them. Don't expect pin drop silence in your class when you're doing the story. There's no need. Every time, there's no need. So you have to be firm on your rules. You have to set the rules. When it is activity time, you can talk. When it is story time, you can talk. When it is instruction time, so you have to set rules. I hope you all have done 1, 2, 3 eyes on me. So all the children say 1, 2, 3 eyes on you. So these kind of class rule discipline you should have, but don't expect them to sit like a statue all the time in your class. Then there is no learning happening. Your amygdala gets shut when you are in stress. So don't give stress to your children. The moment they get stressed, the learning is not happening. They will be either in fight mode or freeze mode. When they are in stress, either they will try to run away or they will just show cranky, they will be cranky, or they will just stay mum, quiet like a statue. Okay, so if your child is having any these three, if he wants to run away from there, if he is feeling he's being very cranky, or if he is just sitting like a statue, you need to understand that there's stress in the child. So you have to make him emotionally stable, comfortable with you, develop that bond with the child, and then the story is the best way to come to make that bond. Yes. So let them enjoy, let them have fun. More they enjoy the story, more they relate to the story. Just you can ask them what happens if you get ink sometime or you get color. Ask them. They should feel like if they are Inky Mouse, what they will do. So always give them situation and let them start imagining. Imagination is the biggest power. Okay. So we want them to have imagination, a lot of imagination, creativity. So let them think. Okay. So A. Okay. Now, when you say E, look at the mouth position. You smile, E. It brings a smile on your face. E. So we all are smiling when we say E. Can you say E without smiling?
E, E, E.
Can you say E without smiling?
No.
All of you show me. Can you say E?
E.
So whenever you say E, all of you please do E. I want to see everyone's smile.
E, E,
E.
E, E.
All of you do the action. E. Neelam, Neeta, Geet, Preeti, please come on the screen. Do E.
E, E,
E.
E, E, E.
Yes.
E.
So
E,
look at the beautiful smiles we all have. E. Yeah. So we cannot say E without smiling. So lips are stretched. Mouth position is very, very important. Okay. Now here we can have a cake. So it's a pink cake. So pink balloon, popcorn, and a party. You can make up a story and then the child is puffing out the candle. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puh, puh, puh. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puh, puh, puh. You can have a pom-pom pet. Simple pom-pom, put two googly eyes, it becomes a pom-pom pet. So when you are enter the class, take your pom-pom pet and give children pom-pom pet. Let them take the pom-pom pet to their home. They will all the time say pom-pom pet. Now when you say p, you are pressing your lips. P, p, p. You're pressing your lips and you burst the air out. P, p. Feel the air. P, 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 p. Yes, air is coming. P,
Yes, ma'am.
p, p. Yes. Then comes hear the airplane. So Nancy is with her Nana, and they went for fishing. So Nancy is having net, and suddenly an airplane came. You can have that paper airplane. We all know how to make paper airplanes. So you can have those airplane, and you can Nanny suddenly hears and from where the noise is coming? The noise is coming. She looked up in the sky and saw the airplane making. So Nancy was so happy. She pretended to be an airplane herself and started saying. But Nana is enjoying? No, he is shutting his ears because he doesn't like the noise. Okay, can you see him closing his ears? Because he doesn't like the noise. Okay, so can you all do? Keep your cameras on, everyone, and do the action. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. Spread your arms, everyone. Yes? Okay. So these are the 6 sounds. S, a, t, p, e, n. Okay. Now, can you all guess? I will do an actions of a word. So I will do 4 actions and you have to write in the chat. Let me see who writes first. Okay. You have to don't speak. Just write in the chat. So I will see who is writing the word first in the chat. That will be the winner. That person will be the winner. Okay. Don't write letters. When I will finish all the 4 actions, then you have to quickly write the entire word. No, it is not snake. Okay, wait, have patience. Don't write anything. After I finish all the 4 actions, you have to quickly write the word. Okay? First action. Second action. Third. And fourth. Now type. So Isha is the first one. Very good. Then Pooja. Then Nancy. Monica, Saroj.
Ma'am.
Neeta, Geet. Shraddha, Neelam. Okay, Neelam has written S. Okay, so this is a quick game. So Isha, or let us all clap for Isha. She was the first one. So everybody clap. Keep your mics unmuted and then clap. Let us hear the noise. You know, let us feel like we are sitting together. Clap harder. Unmute yourself, everyone, first of all. Unmute, unmute, unmute. So many are on mute. Unmute everyone. And then clap. Yes. We can hear the sound. Yes, very good. So you can make the children play games even in an online session like this. No? So you can make so many words with these 6 sounds only. There can be so many words possible, approximately 30 words. Okay. So enjoying the session, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't even realize we have come to the end of the workshop. It is just 5 minutes are left. Okay. Okay, this is called, flow theory. Flow theory says when you are so much engrossed in something that you don't even realize the time. That happened with me, and I didn't realize it's about an hour we have spent together. Okay, so now guess the sound. Which sound is this? When your tongue taps behind the teeth. Who will guess? Type it so that I can get the exact person's name. Don't speak. I will just see the chat to find out who was the first person. So it was, she is Geet. Let us all clap for Geet. Very good. Okay. So when you say t, your tongue taps behind the teeth. T. है ना? You're hitting your front teeth. T. Very good, Geet. Yeah. You can have this activity. I have this activity with me. I have some fish and I have a rod. So with the magnetic rod, I can pick up the fish from the fish tank. So I have, you can have a transparent some container and you can fill it with water and then you can put the fish and they have to fish out any word. है ना? So if you say shark, so they will pick up sh and then AR, R and then k. So SH, 1, AR, 2 and K, 3 sounds. Okay. So you will use the fish rod to pick up fish with the matching letter or sound and then they will form the word. Teacher, something is coming. Acha, sorry. So we'll move to the second group. We are clicking Castanet. So you can have these two paper plates and in these two paper plates, you can fold them from half and then you can put soft drink bottle caps, metallic caps, bottle caps. So when you will press them like this, they will make noise. है ना? The bottle caps will make noise. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying, so you can do this action. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Okay. Eggs in the pan. So you will crack the egg. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. How do we crack an egg? Eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this. Okay, you can crack it like this or this. However you crack. You can crack like this also. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Okay. The children will hop. Now they enjoy the most when you give them the liberty to hop. So let them make noise. Let them enjoy for some time. You know, their extra energy will be released out. All the kinesthetic learners, the hyperactive children, let them burst their energies, burn their energies. Ask them to keep hopping. They'll jump, jump, jump. They'll get tired and then they, okay, they'll pant like this. I like to hop, hop, hop. So they'll jump, hop, up and down, all around. And then, so soft breathe out, open mouth. Okay, and there's no voice. There's no voice. Okay. Okay. See my puppy rip the rag. So the puppy is having a rag and he's ripping the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Mom and dad make many. They're rubbing their tummies. The mom and the dad are making many meals for their hungry children. So lips are closed. Lips are closed. And it's a nasal sound. Your sound comes through nose. That's a nasal sound. Yeah. So you can have mask day. You can give children some mask. Or you can have matchstick men. You can have matchstick. Here, they can make a rabbit with again with cotton. So you can have activities. D, 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 d. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a d, 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 d. See me play on my drums. D. So tongue taps behind the teeth. Now t and d. Feel the difference when you say t, 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 t. Where is your tongue? T, t. And d. Where is the tongue? So in T, the tongue is just touching your teeth, but in D, it is behind the teeth. So the position is different for d. It is somewhere in the middle of the palate. D. D. T. T is just tapping behind the teeth. T. T. It's just behind the teeth. T. But d is, the tongue is somewhere in the middle of the palate. Yes?
D.
And this is a voiced sound. Which are voiced sounds? When you hear the vibration. When you say d, keep your hand on your neck and feel on the throat and feel the vibration. है ना? So these are voiced sounds. D. Can you feel something on your throat, neck? Vibration? Vibration, do you feel d? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which sound is this? Let's see who is the winner. Type in the chat. Sneha. Great job. All of you unmute yourself and clap for Sneha. And for Geet also. That's the sound. Where is Sneha? Where is Sneha? I can't see
Here.
Sneha.
I'm here.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
So when you're on the screen, I can connect with you personally. Yes. Hi. Okay, great.
Hi.
Okay. Let's quickly learn next 6 actions so that we finish first 3 groups at least. Okay. So the next is, okay, before this, we all can do this. Try this. Anna? So it is like this. I will spotlight myself first. So these are little, energizers in between, connectors or engaging activities or icebreakers. So double, all of you do. Double, this, double,
Double,
that. Double, this, double, that. Double, this, double, that. Double this, double that, double this, that. Who can do that? All of you. I will speak and you all have to do. Keep your videos on and unmute yourself. Okay? Or keep yourself. Okay, let us do. I will speak. Don't speak. First rule is zip your lips. Okay, you don't have to speak. Zip your lips. I will say so that there is no confusion. Zip your lips and then only use your hands. So assume you are muting yourself. Keep yourself on mute and just do the action. Okay? Double this, double that. Double this, double that, double this, that.
Okay.
Okay, one more time. Double this, double that, double this, double that, double this, that.
Yes.
Who could do? Raise your hand. Who could do? Honestly, raise your hand if you could do. Wow, amazing. Good. So this is your auditory and visual perception. Good going. Okay, let us quickly move to the next groups. Okay, so group number 3 we have. Why we did this activity? Because we had the sound. So double this, double that, double this, double that, double this, that. Okay. You will have a lot of fun if you'll do it within your class. You can make them stand in a circle and make them pair with one pair and let them do. They'll have a lot of blast in the class. Even you can give them this wristband and they can make words. They have to run. Like you have given the wristbands to all the children. They are having some sound like S or T or P, A. And then you say drum. So D will come, R will come, A will come, and M will come. And they have to pair up to make the word drum. So you can have this wristband blending game also. Group number 3. G g g. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g. Okay. Look at the mouth position. Back of your tongue lifts and vocal cords vibrate here. G. Again, it's a voiced sound. G. Voice is coming from here. G. G g g g. आपको umbrella. आपको umbrellas. आपको umbrellas when it starts to rain. Okay. So you can have this activity, or if you stand up. It's been such a long time. You all are sitting since last 1 hour. Get up, get up, get up. Everybody get up. Yes. And let us move up a little. Do it, everyone. Whatever. Turn around. Pen. Okay, so you can have some fun activity while having the umbrella. And now for the sound, you can give lollipops that day. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipops. So you're touching your tip through the ridge. Where is your tongue? Tongue. The tip of your tongue touches the ridge. And again, there's an airflow. You're passing the air. And the air is passing below your tongue. A warm air you are releasing. Soft air you will feel. Warm air you will feel on your hand. Keep your hand close to the lips and feel the warm air. Can you feel? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now here you have to pretend as if you are holding a balloon where you are pressing the balloon so that the air is coming out. So you will not touch the two hands. Two palms should not touch. It is the balloon you are holding. So you will keep it at a distance, just bringing the two palms together, closer, not join. Okay. My friends and I went to the beach with with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. So there's a floating fish and there's a hole, so the air is coming out. Again, air is coming, so you can feel the air. So your top teeth touch the lower lip. You have to touch the lower lip with your top teeth. Okay, your lower lip will be pressed by your upper teeth. Okay. And the last sound for today is B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Now, when you say B, lips are closed and you burst air. B. 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 Again, it is a voiced sound. You can feel the vibration. B. 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 You feel the vibration. B. B. Yes? Which sound is this? Yeah. And who gave the answer first? Oh, why the different answers? I think it is Isha. No. Isha. Oh, it's Isha. All of you clap for Isha. Wonderful job. Okay. So now you can have this screenshot, which you can place it in your classroom so that the children can, please don't type here or draw here anything. So, no annotation should be here on the screen, please. Yeah. E, O, look at the mouth position. So when you paste this in your class, and then you give selfie mirrors to their mirror, and then they'll see when they say when they say when they say E, when they say O, and when they say okay. So we have done all the 5 short vowels. You can have this letter garden where you give them colorful flowers with consonants and vowels, and then they can pick up the consonants and vowels and put them in the letter garden to make sounds, words. So first row is your consonants, vowels. The last row is your consonants, and the middle row, they have to place the flowers to make the words. The first row represents vowels. The last row represents consonants, and then the participants will arrange the flowers to form correct CVC word or CVCC word or CCVC word. Like drum is a CCVC word, DRUM. 2 consonants, 1 vowel and consonant. CVCC is like soft, SOFT. So 2 consonants at the end. Okay. You can do this activity. E, O, E, O, E, O. So is at, is edge, E is in, O is on, is under, at, edge, in, on, 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 under. Okay, can you all do it? Let me see it on the screen, everyone. E, E, O, E, E, O, E, O, half of the people are not visible. Please come on the screen. E, O, E, O, Okay, all of you do Can you show me at? This is at. All of you do this. Yes. Where is edge? Can you all do edge? Please do edge. Edge. Okay. In. In. All of you show me in. In. Very good. On. Can you show me on? On. And under. Can you show me under? All of you show me under. Under. Yes. Very good. Okay, so these are the 5 short vowels. I think I have exceeded the time limit, so sorry for that. So we'll wind up the session for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, give me a yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoy. Yes, enjoy the day.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I wanted to ask something.
Yes, Neha.
Ma'am,
Want to leave, can leave. Yes.
the images that you showed on the screen, are we going to get those?
No, this is an official PPT. I cannot share it exactly. That's why I've told you can take the screenshots. Okay.
So I just couldn't take a few screenshots from the
I
first.
have recorded the session. I'll share the recording with you.
Okay.
Yeah.